learn as per the lessons of the universe. Universe is guided by specific lessons which are mentioned in our Puranas, mentioned in our Vedas. You have to go as per the rule, and basically where are you headed? हम लोग कहीं तो headed हैं. Yes. सबसे पहले समझो हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं. We are headed somewhere. So to understand where you are headed, you have to understand you are headed towards self-realization. You are headed toward understanding who am I, what is my being. And once you come to the position of your being, everything will stop. It will stay still. Like मछली पानी में चली जाती है. She is happy in the water. She will swim in the water. She will have no depression, heart attack, etc. because she is in the water. वो मछली को आप जल से निकाल दोगे, it will die. If it is a freshwater fish, you put it in sea, it will suffer. So basically, where we are headed to understand who we are. We are headed towards self-realization. But understand, in this heading towards your purpose, you are not incomplete. Today, your biggest problem is because you think you are incomplete in today, you are suffering. You feel you are less. Every time you think, if I achieve this, I will be happy. If I achieve this, I will be happy. आज मेरे बच्चे का ये हो गया, I will be happy. मेरा घर बन गया, I will be happy. And that is the source of suffering. Today, if you decide that I am going to be happy every moment is complete. When I was born as a baby. I was complete then also. Nobody told me I can't speak, I can't walk, I have not studied. I was complete. Today, why I am defining myself as incomplete? Then ask yourself, why do you think you are incomplete? You will realize you feel incomplete, or you feel dissatisfied, you feel anxious, worried, all these stresses you are facing because you are actually comparing with others. You are comparing, this person has already achieved this person already has this, I want to be like this, I want to be like that. Basically, because you are comparing yourself with others, you feel you are lagging behind, you feel you are less. So because there is a target where you want to go to, you are suffering. Today, the day you understand, you will go to the target whether you want or not. There is no choice. You will go. Yes? आज आप गेम खेल रहे हो, गेम कभी तो खत्म होगा. The target is not winning the game. The target is playing the game. So understand that we are all going towards that. But our suffering is because we think we are incomplete. That is why this mantra, Om Purnamada Purnamidam. I was complete. I have come from completeness. And I will always be complete. Purnat Purnamudhyachite. Whether something is taken out of me or something is put back, I remain whole. Or he remains whole. So, if you meditate on completeness every moment, the pain goes away. And life is about actually seeing everything in the correct perspective. All our problems are because you are looking at things from an individual perspective. About any situation, every person will have a different comment. ये सही है, ये गलत है. Because of these definitions, the Maya is created. Today, if you look at everything like a noun, you will never have problem. Because you are putting adjective in it, there is a problem. Today, if you call a spade, food a food, music a music, TV, wealth, there will be no Maya. Because you say pleasure of food, pleasure of TV, pain of this, pleasure of this, I like it, I don't like it. When you look at it from individual perspective, Maya gets created. And then you get entangled in Maya. That is why yogis, they meditate to actually shatter Maya. They go in a secluded place. They live without it. And slowly, slowly they break free of the clutches of Maya. Because when the Maya opens, when the Maya is released, your third eye opens. Means you are able to look at things for what they are, what they stand for. But the biggest thing you have to understand, when you remove Maya, the pleasure will not go away. Why people get stuck in illusions is because they think this is pleasure, and it is difficult to be happy in this world because everything in this world is making me unhappy. That is why they are in addictions. So now let us come back more into addictions. What does the addiction use to make you fall trapped to the addiction? I'll take you. So what do the addictions do to make you trap into addictions? First, it makes use of some need of the body, some basic need of the body, to basically give you a wrong definition. You need food. It makes use of that to make you fall into the trap of addictions. You need love and care. It gets you into the trap of romance and friendships. You need relaxation. It takes you into the trap of alcohol, etc. Yes or no? What is the basic purpose of alcohol, nicotine, etc.? Basically, they make you relaxed. Yes or no? मदिरा तो पहले भी होती थी. हमारे महादेव भी भांग लेते थे. Yes or no? So understand, the basic purpose of that was to relax. But what happened? People are not consuming that much quantity which helps them relax. And then they get addicted. So, number one, addiction uses a basic purpose of the body first. Okay? And basically, addiction uses your definition of pleasure to get you addicted to it. Because the moment you get addicted to it, pain will automatically come. But initially, you will keep on satisfying yourself, so you will not notice the pain. And by the time you realize, it is quite late, because you have already gone into the cycle of pleasure, pain, pleasure. Yes. So, one is, it will use some basic need of your body. Second, it will use your definition of pleasure and pain, your wrong definition of pleasure and pain, to basically get you into the trap. First, second is that, what is the third thing? Why you are not able to control it? Why you are not able to control it? Now, I'll give you an example. Today, if you are addicted to food, okay, you are addicted to food, all the time you want masale wala food, very spicy, very, all type of Maya types of food, tamasic food. Okay. Now, basically what will happen is, you will have an intense pain to eat the food. Okay. When you will feel hungry, now understand, this is a very big secret what I am telling you. Basically, ask the person who eats or who overeats, why he is not able to give it up. Basically, he is not able to control the pain of hunger. उसका hunger का pain बहुत intense है. Are you noticing that? वो कहता है मैं control ही नहीं कर पाता. आज एक person alcohol लेता है या कुछ भी लेता है, उसको इतना severe pain होता है, he is not able to control. Right? अब इसमें आप ध्यान से realize करो कि जब एक person who is addicted to food, उसको बहुत severe pain होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है. I can't control myself. Today, if you are feeling very hungry, try to control. The pain will become so much. At a time, it will start coming in your head when you can't think anything and you become like blind. Now notice that pain. Is it coming from the stomach or it is coming from somewhere else? Notice this. This is the secret. What happens is, when you have intense pain, understand that pain is not the pain of hunger. It is not भूख. आपको भूख नहीं लग रही है. Basically, for people who are overweight, actually body की तो need ही नहीं है. You already have enough deposit reserves to last you for next 6 months. So actually you are not hungry. Understand that if you are feeling that yearning for your alcohol or cigarette, it is not a need of the body. Understand this. आपकी बॉडी को वो सिगरेट या अल्कोहल या वो फ्रेंड या वो टॉक या वो टेलीविजन या वो एंटरटेनमेंट आपके शरीर की जरूरत इतनी सी है, इतनी सी रियलिटी में वो इतनी सी है. आप नोटिस करो, यू आर डाइंग एंड यू आर रियली डाइंग ऑफ हंगर, और उसके सामने आपको लौकी की सब्जी दे दी जाए. यू आर गिवन लौकी की सब्जी, विल यू बी हैप्पी? भाई आप भूखे हो ना, खा लो. नहीं खाओगे, नहीं खाओगे. आपको उस समय जो है आपकी सास को बिठा दो, बिकॉज यू वांट योर फ्रेंड, आपकी मदर इन लॉ को बिठा दो आपके साथ कि चलो इनसे बात करो, या कॉल अ पर्सन एनीवन जिससे साथ आपकी इतनी फ्रेंडशिप नहीं है, आप बात ही नहीं करो. सो सबसे पहले अंडरस्टैंड इट इज नॉट अ नीड ऑफ द बॉडी, बिकॉज यू अंडरस्टैंड इफ इट वॉज अ नीड ऑफ द बॉडी ना, आपकी बॉडी तो एक्चुअली आपके माइंड की गुलाम है. आज अगर आपकी बॉडी की नीड होती ना और आप बॉडी को बोल देते कि नहीं मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है, शांत हो जाती बॉडी, इमीडिएट शांत हो जाती, मिली सेकेंड में. जो लोग यहाँ पर व्रत करते हैं, फास्टिंग करते हैं, आई वॉन्ट यू टू रियलाइज टुडे इफ यू नो दैट टुडे यू आर फास्टिंग, डू यू एक्चुअली फील हंग्री द होल डे? यू डोंट. आज अगर आपने अपनी बॉडी को कह दिया है कि मेरा व्रत है, आज आपके सामने कोई डांस भी करेगा ना बढ़िया से खाने के साथ, आपके मुंह में सलाइवा ही नहीं आएगा. किस किस को इसका एक्सपीरियंस है? योर बॉडी इज योर गुलाम. आपकी बॉडी तो इज रेडी टू लिसन टू यू एनी टाइम. यू टेल योर बॉडी नहीं मुझे चाहिए, आई डोंट वांट टू ईट टुडे, आज मुझे खाना नहीं चाहिए, आई एम ऑलरेडी ओवरवेट, आई विल नॉट ईट फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 days. योर बॉडी की जरूरत है ही नहीं. योर बॉडी विल नॉट प्रोड्यूस एनी एसिड, योर बॉडी विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट अ नीड ऑफ योर बॉडी. योर बॉडी अपने आप को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर लेगी. फुल 2, 3, 10 days you can go without food and your body will not ask even one more. Your body is your गुलाम. The reality is जब व्रत में आपको भूख नहीं लगी तो व्रत में तो आपने सफर नहीं किया. आप बॉडी को बोलो, आप किसी दिन मॉर्निंग में उठ के बॉडी को बोलो कि आज मेरा व्रत है, आज मैं पूरे दिन नहीं खा रही. You notice you will not suffer at all. Forget about controlling yourself. You will not even suffer. तो आज अगर कोई भी टाइप की नीड है, आज अगर अपने आप को अपने माइंड में डाल दिया ना, there will be no suffering. But today if you have not told your body, जो बॉडी की जो नीड आती है, क्योंकि बॉडी फॉलोज सिस्टम. 1 बजे सलाइवा प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, शाम को 8 बजे प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. Yes or no? It is produced at specific times. Today if you are an alcohol drinker, आप जाते से 9 बजे बॉटल करते, तो 9 बजे बॉडी starts producing because it has to protect itself from such an acid. Yes or no? So body will start producing those type of basically to protect itself. If you are having nicotine, again your body will produce saliva and acids to protect itself, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कि अभी देखो 8 बज गए, ये पर्सन बॉटल से पिएगा, let me produce. So whatever you are used to doing, your body will start getting prepared for it, prepared. Because if you give anything to the body without preparation, it will go in shock. You will go in shock. जैसे suppose you want to climb a mountain, don't you prepare yourself? Yes. Okay, I'm going to gather your energy, strength, everything. Then you will climb. तो कोई भी act है, your body has to prepare itself, no? क्योंकि आपने मैसेज दे दिया, आई एम गोइंग टू क्लाइंब, आई एम गोइंग टू मीट माई फ्रेंड, आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस. सो द बॉडी इज प्रिपेयरिंग इटसेल्फ. पर अंडरस्टैंड, अगर वो चीज कैंसिल हो गई या कुछ है, यू कैन जस्ट टेल द बॉडी नो नो आई एम नॉट ईटिंग एंड द बॉडी विल बिकम क्वाइट. वो एसिड को भी डाइजेस्ट कर देगा. पर प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आती है? प्रॉब्लम आती है जो सेंसेस है, नाउ दे स्टार्ट डन. बिकॉज जैसे आपकी नीड की बॉडी की नीड सामने आई कि इट इज़ माई टाइम ऑफ हंगर, your senses will start saying, come on, I want to eat something which is pleasurable. I want to eat something which is tasty. तो खाने के साथ आप वाइफ को बोलोगे, सुन अचार लेके आ जाना, और क्या बनाए, थोड़ी सी मिर्ची डाल देना, थोड़ा वो कर देना. We'll try to make it nice and तीखा. Yes or no? So basically senses will start telling, चलो, pleasure. Start making it nice and tasty, मसालेदार. So senses will start playing. So if you have not started eating that time, your senses will start showing you pleasure. It will start putting all photographs of nice pizza, Sunday, alcohol, cigarette, friends, enjoyment, कितना मजा आया था. They will start floating around in pleasure. Yes? तो वो इतना ज़्यादा सामने आ जाएगा, and by mistake if you tell, no, I'm not having, then it will go in the reverse mode of pain. क्योंकि pleasure create हुआ था, pain will get created, and then that pain will be so intense. You will give it the wrong definition that it is hunger. It is not hunger. It is the pain of the senses. वो senses इतना pain करेंगी because senses are very powerful. Senses can even paralyze you. तो वो इतना severe yearning, craving का pain देंगे that you can't control yourself. And इतना ज़्यादा आपके मन में वो होगा कि to remove that pain, आप बोलोगे चल थोड़ा पी लेता हूँ, थोड़ा खा ही लेता हूँ, बात ही कर लूँ बस, ये पेन चला. Are we understanding? So सबसे पहले separate it that it is not a need of the body, because senses will start telling you, कुछ तो खाना ही है तेरे को, थोड़ा खा ले क्या फर्क पड़ता है, थोड़े पीने से कुछ नहीं होगा. वो मैगजीन में लिखा था थोड़ा पीना अच्छा होता है. नए लॉजिक्स आएंगे, नए फंडे, थोड़ा बात करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, एक बार चले गए, there is absolutely no issue, थोड़ा सा बस आज कल देखा जाएगा, कर ले. चाहे वो सिगरेट हो, चाहे ड्रिंक हो, चाहे टीवी हो, पूरा नहीं देखूंगा सीरियल, थोड़ा सा देख के निकल जाओ, थोड़ा सा बस लिमिटेड. नए लॉजिक्स आने लग जाएंगे. कितनी मेहनत की आज, पूरे दिन मेहनत की है, इतना भी नहीं कर सकता, एक पैक ले लिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता. तो थोड़ा करके नए लॉजिक्स निकलेंगे. बिकॉज अंडरस्टैंड, नॉट ओनली द माइंड टॉक्स, द बॉडी ऑल्सो टॉक्स, द सेंसेस ऑल्सो टॉक, एवरीबडी टॉक्स. आपके चारों कॉन्शियसनेस बात. So basically what happens is because of these talks, कोई ना कोई लॉजिक आपको फिट हो जाएगी कि हाँ देखो मेरे को चाहिए, इसमें प्रोटीन है, विटामिन है, कैल्शियम है, सब सोच के कुछ ना कुछ करके you will eat that big ice cream. Are we understanding? So सबसे पहले अंडरस्टैंड कि वो जो प्लेजर एंड पेन का डेफिनेशन था वो सेंसेस का था. It was not a requirement of body. Body is your gulam. She is ready to listen. So, from here what do we understand? In order to come off addiction, we have to destroy the concept of pleasure. In order to come out of the illusion of pain, in order to come out of this pain, your only solution is to destroy the pleasure coming from that object of addiction. That is a tough choice. That is tough. Because actually देखो कि when you want to reduce the pleasure, it is very difficult. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because intense pleasure हुआ है. So how to now destroy it is something which is not pleasure? Yes or no? So first to destroy the pleasure, you have to first understand why should I destroy the pleasure. As I said that ये responsibility अंदर से आनी चाहिए कि yes I am ready to do what is necessary. So first understand why should you be destroying the pleasure. What are the harmful effects of this addiction? Today if you know the side effects, तभी तो you will take an action. So what are the harmful effects of addiction? First,
Lack of attention, lack of concentration.
yes, it doesn't allow you to concentrate. It doesn't allow you to give attention. Today if you are coming home, this is the time when you should be with your children, you should be with your family, you should give serious talk to your life, what I want to do in my life. वो important time में you are having these things, the kind of impression it is giving to your children, yes or no? Today if you are not in control, you cannot expect your children to imbibe good qualities, yes or no? आपके जो आवाज़ में जो दम है ना वही नहीं होगा बच्चों को बोलने के लिए, because the children emulate their parents. So definitely, you know that it takes away your attention and focus. Even in office, suppose you have a habit of eating or drinking at around 8, 5 या 6 o'clock से you are not able to concentrate on your work. Normal जो भूख होती है ना बहुत कम होती है, 10 मिनट की होती होगी, हल्का सा एक डलनेस फीलिंग होती है कि खाना खा ले, और जो एडिक्शन वाली भूख है ना वो 3 घंटे पहले से दिमाग में हो जाता है, खाना खाना खाना, क्या बना होगा, वाइफ को फोन करके पूछो. So number 1, it takes away your attention, your focus, your awareness. Yes or no? If you are in office, a thing like chatting, talking to friends, it is taking you away from your goals. Yes or no? Second क्या नुकसान हो रहा है?
Lack of attention, focus, last even post fulfilling the addiction. Next day on.
Yes. Because even after fulfilling it, because you have fulfilled your senses have become like Ravan. I will tell you what you should do. Finally, आपको किसको कंट्रोल देना है लाइफ में? सोल को. Because your soul is the one who knows right and wrong. By feeding your senses, your Ravan is becoming strong. So yesterday you fed your senses, but today morning your senses are again taking you away into new things. So the person who has a tendency of addiction, he has lot of other tendencies of not being in self-control. His anger is not in control, his words are not in control, he has lack of willpower, he actually loses control on many other aspects of life because the senses, the reins of the horses are not in the hands of the mind. So it is not about having no control over the object of addiction, it is also about losing control on other aspects of life. Yes? Second, what happens because of addictions?
Changes in the body, harmful to body.
Yes. Because addictions means you are feeding something to the body which it doesn't need. Yes? So yes, diseases in the body because of extreme bouts of pleasure and pain. People who are having these things, they are prone to heart-related diseases because heart is the one, the man is the one which controls the senses. Today, if you cannot control the senses, your heart goes for a toss. बेचारा एक heart है, एक particular rhythm से beat करता है. Today, when you have pleasure, pain, naturally you have got blood pressure and hypertension. Next is social stigma. Because of this, you suffer from a lot of guilt. Yes or no? You have guilt. You lose your confidence on yourself. Basically, you lose your respect on yourself. Yes or no? If you are into any kind of addictions, definitely there is going to be stigma. If not from society, at least from your own children, your own spouse, your own family. Yes or no? So you understand that person who is alcoholic, how much he has to suffer, inside the house. How can he look at his own family with his eyes? Yes or no? He tries to cover up, the senses try to put him into an illusion. मैं क्यों नहीं अपनी मर्जी से कर सकता? Yes or no? But inside, deep in the core, they feel lack of self-respect. Yes or no? So one is problems in the society or in the family, and last you can say it is unnecessary waste of expenditure or unnecessary waste of useful time. Yes or no? Because of addiction to eating, you are spending so much money on eating, and that also junk. You are unnecessarily wasting your productive time in which you could have thought about career of your children, about your family. You could have planned something and you are giving it to television, giving it to friends. Yes or no? So unnecessary expenditure of precious time, precious resources and precious money. Yes or no? So knowing all these things, are you ready to release the definition of pleasure?
Yes.
First ask yourself. Because 5 बुराइयां हैं, एक अच्छा है. क्योंकि जब तक आप बुराई नहीं देखोगे, आपको जो प्लेजर है, because you have defined it as a pleasure, you only have to remove it. Yes or no? And it's actually not easy. Ask a person who is addicted to TV serials, who is addicted to talking with friends, who is addicted to all kinds of enjoyment, tamasic pleasures. Ask him to tell it is not a pleasure. Okay, come on, it is a pleasure. क्यों नहीं है? बहुत प्लेजर है. खाना खाने में जो प्लेजर आता है, बढ़िया टेस्टी खाना, संडे, you know, और आइसक्रीम्स एंड केक्स एंड डिलीशियस फूड, right? Yes or no? It is a pleasure because you have defined it. But you are the one who has to remove the definition. Because understand, actually is it a pleasure? Now ask yourself, actually is it a pleasure or it is your definition? Because अगर pleasure होता तो सबके लिए होता. Today when you are talking to your friend and you are laughing, why is your wife angry? Yes? Today, if you love eating nice पूरी सब्जी छोला, सवेरे खाओ, उठते से मॉर्निंग उठते से पूरी छोला आपको देते हैं, खाओ. Can you eat? You feel pukey. Can you eat when you are not well? Can you eat when your stomach is full? We wake you up in the midnight and eat. So no, it is not. It is a moment of the time. समय. आज अगर आपको दारू पीना अच्छा लगता है, बैठो ऑफिस की टेबल पे, ड्रिंक. Will you enjoy? No. Eat with your family, your children sitting. ठीक है, पापा पियो. Will you enjoy? No. You have defined it as a pleasure because you are drinking with similar friends in a particular environment, so you have called it a pleasure. Yes or no? Because if something is a pleasure, it will remain a pleasure in all the times. No, it's not an absolute definition. It is of the moment. It was not all your life. Maybe 6 years back you didn't like it. Yes or no? And maybe 2 years hence you will dislike it. If it is a pleasure, then everybody has to like. And I should like all the time, all the moments in the day. In every circumstance I should like it. Morning you wake me up, I will watch Saas Bahu ka serial. Afternoon I will watch. No. And that also you are not liking all the time. You actually see, you love eating food. Not every time you are happy. कभी पेट खराब है, कभी एसिडिटी है, कभी मूड खराब है. You are not liking that time also. Yes or no? So can you say this definition of my pleasure is individualistic? And my sense has taken advantage of some need of mine to call it a pleasure and a pain? Because as often we say, nothing can be created out of zero. And finally, eventually we are all zero. So what happens? A minus and a plus equal are created to create an illusion. That is why it is called a pleasure, because there is a corresponding pain. To get rid of my pain, these 5 pains, I have to destroy this mirage. Yes or no? So then you actually start looking at it, that this is my definition of pleasure. It is actually not a pleasure. I have defined it in a particular environment, in a particular moment, and that also is not every time. It is not that every time I talk, there is a pleasure. Yes or no? Okay? So this is the thing. So number 1 is you have to remove the concept of pleasure. Okay? Removing the concept of pleasure can be done by first looking at the inherent description of the object. That what is the inherent description of this alcohol? So you will understand understand the inherent description is to relax. Right? Is to relax. But do I really need relaxation? Right? So first is ask yourself, do I really need this relaxation? And today I have come to the point of addiction. So should I really do it? Yes or no? The inherent of food is to nourish me. Am I eating food that is nourishing me? Yes or no? So for everything, you start looking at the inherent description. And when you start looking at the inherent description, you will be able to come out. There are few steps by which we can remove addiction. Okay? First is yes, as we realized that I have to understand it is not a need of my body, it is my definition of pleasure and pain. Yes or no? Second, you should understand my body is my servant and it is ready to listen to me whenever I command. But in order to make it listen to me, I have to go through that big cloud of pleasure and pain. Only then I can go past it. Yes or no? I can go past it only when I remove the cloud of pleasure and pain, because they cloud my memory. The pain is so intense that I am not able to release it. I cannot fight against the pain, but I can definitely fight against the pleasure. To fight against the pleasure, I have to realize this pleasure is my definition. That is why my children don't like it, my family doesn't like it, my office doesn't like it, people around me don't like it. So this is my definition. It is actually not a pleasure. Yes or no? So the more you contemplate on that, is it actually a pleasure? What it is giving to me? Talking to this friend. Look at the inherent. Look at the inherent. Why am I talking to this friend? Is it giving me a false illusion of being loved? Don't I feel that love is all around? Don't I feel by talking to this one friend, I'm missing out on the love of my children, my wife, my people around me? So contemplate on it being a pleasure and you will realize that like a mirage, it will go poof, and it will go. Yes or no?
Yes.
And fourth, most important, when you say I am going to tell the body to keep quiet, who is that I? Who is that I? The soul. And you know what the senses do? They make you lose respect for the self. तो आपका soul ही चला जाता है. The command goes away from the soul. और जैसे command goes away from the soul because of self-rejection, because of guilt, because of hatred for self, आप खुद को गालियां देते हो, मैंने क्यों किया, why did I do it? The more you reject yourself, the more you lose control. Are you understanding this? Because when you say, I am going to tell my body to keep quiet, I am going to remove this definition of pleasure and pain, who is that I? I is the soul. And Hamesha, after going through that bout of addiction, after going through that, whatever you did to get the pleasure, you always go into a bout of self-rejection, guilt. Your family turns against you. Your people turn against you. You face demotivation because of your career growth. Your business doesn't do well. More and more you start rejecting yourself. And the more you reject yourself, the more you lose the power over the senses. Yes or no? So what is the solution for this? What is the solution for this last part? That because of rejecting yourself, you are losing power over the very enemy you have to fight. Yes or no? Galti kar raha hai sense and you are rejecting yourself. Are you the sense? Are you the sense? So understand, people who are having addiction, they need to love themselves. They need to be loved by their family. They need to be loved by all people around them. Today if your child is in addiction, today if your spouse is in addiction, today if your brother is in addiction, today anybody around is in addiction, he needs your help. He needs to be loved. Because what we speak is, जो body का food is, body का जो प्राण है, it is food. Mind का जो प्राण है, it is knowledge. Senses का pleasure, but soul का love. So today, if a person who is addicted, he feels genuine love from others. He realizes, it has to be realized. Logical क्या होता है, when a person is addicted, the whole family rejects the person. So it takes a lot of courage to love such a child or love such a person. But today, if an addicted person realizes love from others, he will learn to love himself. So if you are addicted, you have to learn to accept yourself, forgive yourself, love yourself. Because only when you love yourself, you give the command back to your body. You give your command back. Because your soul is your engine, your battery, your power inside. So when you give your command back to yourself, that I am not this person who is addicted, it is my sense. And my journey is to get control over this. So first I have to honor and respect myself. All people in this world who go out of control basically are people who lack self-love. They are people who lack self-esteem. They are the ones who go out of control. That is why we have people who are emotional eaters, emotional drinkers. Because basically, they have become dependent on these external objects for pleasure and pain. So first journey, what you should do is release all this self-doubt and anger and guilt that I am into all this. Accept yourself. Then take responsibility that yes, this is my definition and I have to look at it and shatter this mirage. And knowing that my body is in my control, I can tell my body. And one more thing, what the senses use. What is it? So these are the 3 steps. What is the 4th one? What do the senses use to make you go into it again and again, other than incorrect definition? What makes you go again and again to buy things or to see things or to eat? What is one thing that the senses use? Pleasure and pain we have spoken. What do they use? What one thing is inside you? आपके अंदर क्या खोखलापन है जिसको भरने के लिए सेंस आपको वो दे रही है? What do the senses use?
Ego?
No.
Dissatisfaction?
Yes. Discontentment. आपको लाइफ में किसी चीज का डिसकंटेंटमेंट होगा, सेंसेस उसी का हथियार होगा. If you have got discontentment with love, you feel I have never been loved, you will go into these kind of pleasures. You have a discontentment with food. I have not had enough good food. So you will keep on going after food. You have discontentment with joys and pleasures. You will keep on going with these kind of empty pleasures. So basically, आपके अंदर जो discontentment है, वो कभी था. It was there when you were 5 years old or 6 years old or 10 years old. Now ask yourself, do I really have it now? Ask yourself, am I really discontented now? कितना खाना खा लिया, कितने कपड़े खरीद लिए, कितना टीवी सीरियल देख लिया. तो what the first step, in fact we have discussed this at the first step, but this is actually the first step. सबसे पहले जो अपनी हंगर है, अपनी जो भूख है, अपनी जो डिसकंटेंटमेंट है, उसको रियलाइज करो. Why am I going for this? Do I feel discontented in pleasure? कि मेरी लाइफ हमेशा दुखी रही है, so I want more and more pleasure. तो सबसे पहले look at that discontentment inside you. And using our Chakra Yoga meditation, you have to release that discontentment. If it is food, then say I release this discontentment with food. I release that I've never eaten good. I've never eaten Chinese and Italian and Japanese and this and that. Start releasing the discontentment with food. If it is friends, say I have been lonely my life. I've never had good friends. So release that discontentment with friends. If it is any kind of pleasures or feeling great about yourself and you feel that smoking or drink is making you feel great about yourself, to release that discontentment of not being great, of not being good enough. That these friends are accepting me, the whole world has rejected. So identify जो अपने अंदर जो खोखलापन है, अपने अंदर जो emptiness है, identify that and release the discontent. Because the moment you release discontent, you can just realize contentment. एक अगर ग्लास में there is all impurity inside, you have to first throw it away. Then either the purity will fill automatically or you fill yourself with purity. Then I have eaten enough. I have people who love me. My children love me, my parents love me, my family loves me, my vendors love me, my customers love me. You have to fill yourself with You have to fill yourself with everything that you feel discontented. जब तक emptiness होगी, you will keep on running. So remove the discontentment, fill yourself with contentment, shatter the illusion of pleasure. The moment you shatter the illusion of pleasure, pain होगा ही नहीं. You don't have to do any practice of removing pain. Pain ही नहीं होगा. Yes, shatter that illusion of pleasure. Accept yourself and honor yourself so that you are within your soul and know that yes, you can command your body, stop. You will not get nicotine today, you will not get alcohol today, you will not get food today, you don't need to see television today, you don't need to talk to friends today. You can just tell your body and your body will be quiet. Most of the time, people who are addicted to food, because they associate the mother's love with food. It's a riddhi, it's not a reality. So lot of things, why do you like chocolates? Because you were told, कि do a good performance and I will give you a chocolate. So you associate chocolate with a sense of achievement. Why do people like eating pastries? Because you associate it with a sense of celebration. So whenever you see pastry, you think party हो जाए, आज party हो जाए. अपन लौकी की सब्जी की पार्टी शुरू करते हैं. लौकी की सब्जी हो जाए, बेटा आज मैं गोभी की सब्जी दूंगी. If you do well, तो पूरा बच्चे का definition change हो जाए. Also one more thing I realize, sometimes why do we have tea? थोड़ा इसको सोचो, हम इतनी चाय क्यों पीते हैं? चलो थोड़ी चाय, थोड़ी चाय, थोड़ी चाय. और थोड़ी हमको किक भी मिलती है चाय से. Yes or no? एक बोरिंग डे होता है ना, तो चाय से किक मिल जाती है. और एक्चुअली सोचो कि 2-3 चीज़ों से किक मिलती है. एक तो चाय से किक मिलती है, एक किसी फ्रेंड से बात कर लो तो किक मिलती है. Yes or no? उसको लगता है चल एक काम करता हूँ, फ्रेंड से बात कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ी किक मिल जाएगी, अगेन आई विल डू माई वर्क. अब सोचो ये एनर्जी क्यों मिली? दिस इज द बिगेस्ट सीक्रेट. एनर्जी क्यों मिली? बिकॉज most of the time in life we are outside. हम बाहर होते हैं. Yes, we are all the time outside. We are looking at work. We are doing work because boss ने दिया. हम काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कस्टमर को कुछ सप्लाई कर रहे हैं. So you are all the time outside. And when you are outside, you are not happy and you don't have energy because आपकी बैटरी बाहर है. अब क्या होता है? When you do things that you love, so you go inside, chai, you have chai. You go inside yourself. Friends से बात करते हो, जो love है, emotion sharing. You go inside, उसका taste लेने के लिए अंदर जाते हो. जब अंदर जाते हो बैटरी आ जाती है. That is the only secret. So today you have so many chai because आप चाय धीरे धीरे क्या करते हो? मदर का love feel करते हो, right? But understand कि मदर के लव के साथ साथ कितनी एसिड घुस रहा है. तो वहाँ मदर आ जाएगी तो वैसे ही डांट लगेगी. सो अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर हमें ज़िंदगी में बार बार किक चाहिए दिन में, किक तो थोड़ा बात कर लूँ. बच्चों का भी होता है. माई सन ऑल्सो ही स्टडिंग फॉर IIT. थोड़ी देर में ही विल गो टॉक टू द फ्रेंड. और बच्चे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बिकॉज एज आई सेड यू कैन ओनली क्योर पीपल फर्स्ट. दे शुड नो दे आर एडिक्टेड, right? And they should know that it is because of me, because of themselves. So you can't actually guide a person unless he comes to you. कि yes, I need help, guide me. क्योंकि before that the sense will close his sense of hearing also. क्योंकि senses are very powerful. आपकी 10 senses हैं, हर चक्रा में 2 sense